Hi, my name is Tiffany. I'm a stylist from Atlanta, Georgia, and today I will be installing the BareLace unit on my beautiful model, Jada. Let me tell you a few things about the BareLace unit. It's made by Sensationnel. The lace is so thin, it looks like your skin. So it's very, very natural looking. It has a 6x5 closure unit on there, and it comes in this color we're doing today is Mocha Brown. It comes in multiple colors, including 1B, and some blondes, but you will find this exclusively at SamsBeauty warehouse. So check us out. So as you can see, when we say 6x5, that means it goes 5 inches from the front of your hair all the way back. So if you like really deep parts, this would be a perfect wig for you. It also goes 6 inches across your head, so it pretty much will go like temple to temple. So if you're really not a frontal girl, that's okay. It'll give you the same frontal look, and it's very natural. It also comes with a strap because, again, this is a glueless wig. You do have 2 combs on the side and 1 in the back for easy installation for yourself. The thing I like the most about this wig is that it's very, very textured, so it gives you more of a natural look. And I love the color, and it also gives you a very natural shine. And when you move, it moves. Very, very beautiful. Again, you can do low heat on it. I would suggest anything over 300 just to preserve your wig. This wig should last you a few months if taken care of properly. So now we're going to go ahead with the installation, and I'm going to go ahead and start by basically cutting the lace. I really want this wig to look really natural, so I'm going to go in and do like a light tint, the color of Jada, and it might be maybe a tad bit lighter, but that is okay. Because in reality, our scalp is a little lighter than our actual face. So we're gonna go ahead and place this on Jada. This hair is so easy to style. It's so soft, combs right through, no problem. I'm just gonna go in and do my own little customization as far as framing it to her face. So I'm just gonna cut like right up in here. And you can apply heat to this. You should definitely apply the heat to the back, like a test, just to make sure. I say no more than 300. But I wouldn't, like at first I would not apply any heat, because as you can see, I cut it, but it's still like focusing on the layers even when I just comb it. So you can still see the layers really, really good. So right now, the most popular hairstyle as far as this layer cut right here is the curtain bangs. So if you're a curtain bang girl, this is perfect. Even when I customize the cut, like framed it to her face, I just kind of follow my guide with the shortest one. The shortest length. And it just gives you a lot of volume. It definitely complements the wig when you do a layer to your face. Like you can frame it to your face, and it definitely complements your face. So if you want more of that Farrah Fawcett, layered, what else would they call this? It's so many names, the bold cut, the layer cut, you can. It's very soft, soft brown, soft colors, soft layers, complements the face really well. You definitely do middle part, but the good thing about it, like I said, if you want to go to the side part, you can do the side part. So I'm gonna do a side part for you guys. Is that okay? I'm gonna do a side part so you can actually see how different this wig will look. The good thing about when you can change your part around, that you can wear this for a week, and then the next week if you change to either side, it literally look like a brand new wig. So I'm going to show you guys today how you can actually do that. If you would like it a little flatter, you can actually hit it with the comb. I have this on 310. So it takes very good heat. One thing that I left out about the BareLace that I think everyone should know, not only does it have a very thin lace that makes it look like your skin, but this is also human hair blended with premium fiber. So you can put more heat on it if needed. And I want to demonstrate that to you guys today, and that's another reason why I wanted to use this comb, because you can use the comb. I don't know if you've seen, well, I can show you how flat this is after I use the heat. versus how I didn't use the heat. Now, I do know this is all about preference. So if you're one of those girls that just like big hair and want it to look, you know, like really natural, then that's fine if you leave it like that. But I also know I have my girls that will like it very flat and very smooth. So you know you have the option to actually do that. And you can actually use the back of the comb too. But because I want her side right here to be more fluffy, I'm not going to make it as flat. But this side right here, I did want to make it a little more flat, as well as twirl this back a little bit, just to define her curl pattern. It doesn't take much. That's really good for like someone who is not really professional, but we are actually showing you how to come into Sam's Beauty, buy a very good quality wig for an affordable price and still get a great hairstyle out of it. Something that you can do yourself at home. You don't have to sit in the salon for hours. Sometimes things come up. This is a perfect wig. You can apply heat to it again. You can switch your parts. We have multiple colors. You can get this exclusively at Sam's Beauty. Again, thank you, Jada, so much for your time. My name is Tiffany, stylist from Atlanta. This is my beautiful model, Jada, and we are representing Sam's Beauty Warehouse, where you can go buy sensational products there. BareLace, 6x5, Mocha Brown. Go get it exclusively at Sam's Beauty. Again, thank you guys for watching. Wait, Jada.